Oh my gosh, guys. There it is. The day has finally come. I'm finally far enough along. And I have 45 minutes before the sun goes down. It's been outside in the sun, covered in feet of snow. Rained on, snowed on, stormed on, grass shut up on. The paint's still looking awesome. So I'm gonna wash her down. We'll look at it for real. We'll see how the paint really is doing. We'll check out all the rubber pieces. We'll check out everything. Make sure everything inside's still good. I hope it's not too crazy in there. But it's been sitting way too long. I finally got the space. We gotta get it. We gotta get it up over there. We gotta get it in that garage over there. Well, it's been a big week on house. It's still gonna be a big week on house. We start on the front porch tomorrow. But I want to uncover it, get it inside. I got the front window. I got just a little bit of the top to finish. Then we put in the new seals and the windows back in and the new front window and all that awesome stuff, and it's going to be amazing. Alright, well, here it is. Some stuff is definitely falling over. The front seat fell over. There is stuff falling. It looks like it did get a little wet in here. Nothing too crazy, I don't think. Still got my tools in here. Headliner's still sitting because it's to the stage of getting it done. Okay, I don't think it doesn't look like it's really damaged anything. Definitely some water's definitely gotten in here somehow, but that is to be expected with crappy car covers. So yeah, the seat does not want to stay in, so we're gonna have to fix that. I'm not exactly sure why it's off. It's like popped off the rails. Engine's still here. Oh look, plants growing up in it. Hopefully the carb's been dry enough. We'll find out here in a second. Nice. Get some plants. Awesome. Awesome. Then I can pull out these tools that I forgot I had. Well, it's not wet right now, and it did rain over the whole weekend, basically. So I think we're good. Let's get a battery, put a battery in it, see if it will fire right up. I hope it does. I guess I have to check the gas tank since it's been sitting so long. Make sure there's actually gas still in it. But hey, it's not looking too bad, guys. Not looking too bad. Let's get inside so we can get her done. If she's not looking too bad, let's get a battery and start her up. Okay, I'm gonna go get some gas. Put some gas in it. She's firing. I just don't think she has enough fuel. It's been sitting so long. Who knows what has evaporated or leaked or who knows what. So, gonna get gas. She's firing up. We're gonna get her, take her to the garage. Let's do this. Yes. Alright guys, that was awesome. I finally got going. Smoked a minute. Kind of cleaned itself up. Spit and sputtered. Started to get its groove again and idle some. So man, that's awesome. I'm ready to get it in the garage. I'm ready to get it done. I'm ready to drive it around town for a while. I'm paying for it to be insured and registered. For it to be sitting in the field. I'm ready to use it. Oh, sweet. I'm pumped. I'm ready to get this going. There's a lot I need to get done. I should probably be working on my house. But I don't want to. I want to do Volkswagen therapy. Volkswagen therapy. Let's get this. Okay. It's definitely getting darker. The only bad thing about this, I don't have power on the property yet other than generator. So it's kind of loud and annoying. But it is in the garage, and that's what matters. It is here in the midst of a construction zone because I want to work on it and I want to get it done, and it's going to happen. We're going to do it. We're going to get this done. It's about time. We're going to make it happen. So let's make it happen. 1964 VW Bugman, you're awesome. Thanks for the motivation. He comments all the time about getting this done, about me ruining my mom's life by not getting it done. But my mom understands. There's been a lot of crazy stuff going on with the house and issues with contractors and all kinds of crazy stuff the last 10 months. So she understands. Crap happens. It is here now. We're going to get done. Oh my gosh. There it is. It's in the garage. Time to finish that headliner, get in some windows. Oh, we made it. Alright guys. It is getting dark. And I'm in front of my garage. And the Volkswagen's in my garage. It's going to be awesome. So, a lot of stuff to come. Like I said, I'm trying to get on a schedule to get, projects going, projects done. Life in between, house stuff, all that fun stuff. A lot of good work's happening on the house this week. Next week's going to be another one. We just need some really good work days while it's been really nice and not too hot. It hasn't been raining, so we can get stuff done on the house on the outside while we can, and then we're not walking in mud like we did last week. So hopefully you guys understand that. A lot of you may not even know this build. About half my subscribers came in with the Volkswagen Restoration 30-day restoration project. We got pretty far in 30 days, as you can tell. Not all the way done. With the shop being sold, and then my buddy, his life situations, and me having to get out of that shop. And then my house was supposed... Okay, so this was all supposed to be done by like last November, December timeframe. We're in May, and we're almost finished finally with the stuff. I've had some friends help me and work. I've been doing a lot of it myself because the people that were supposed to do it basically never did it, quit coming, and then I got stuck with it. So that is what has happened. Sorry, my other phone died. Maybe this one's a little more clear since it's the new Galaxy S10. So that's what happened. A lot of crap has happened with that. I finally got my own space now. Got the tall ceilings. I'm working on a lift and a tire changer and maybe a balancer, because I will do stuff for local people out of this as a shop as well on the side. I have a friend that I might have come aboard if we get enough work. He can help me film and work on stuff, help me progress on the projects so that you guys aren't waiting around forever on all this stuff, and I can still work on my house but when I'm working on cars, I could be way more productive having another person. So that, you know, like I said, my mom has understood the situation of life. We have plans to surprise her this fall. She watches these videos, but she won't know when it is. We're going to show up on her door with the Volkswagen. We're going to drive it in her driveway. She's going to be surprised because I haven't been back to Kentucky where they are for over 3 years. And she doesn't get to see my kids that much. So we're going to go over there. We're going to show up with the family. We're going to show up with the Volkswagen. We're going to surprise her. And it's going to be awesome. So you guys will definitely want to see it. Let's work on this. Let's get it done. Headliner, windows, seals, touch-up stuff. I got the brake kit. I got the carpet kit. I got a new front window in my house. I still got tons of stuff in boxes for this car because it was meant to be done by last fall. So that's how far behind we are. So make sure you don't miss out. Again, I'm sorry for the delay. The Volkswagen is back. I really want to get going on it. I want to make it a cool summer cruiser I could drive around in and make sure everything's good for my mom and that she'll enjoy it. So you guys keep following Wide Open Throttle Garage. Thanks for sticking with me with all the crap that's happened with life, the garage, and my projects. Trying to get back into it, trying to be more consistent for you guys, trying to get some stuff done so you can continue to follow along with the fun stuff, okay? So we will see you next time, guys. Alright, till next time. Hey, look, that is 6 toilets I get to install. And a water softener. Yeah, we bought those today. Welcome to the joys of adulting, house building extravaganzas. You gotta buy crappers. Alright, guys.